Hi everyone, another power clean tip from White King. Today I'm using the famous White King toilet bleach gel. Kills 99% of germs, made in Australia, and is available in all retail outlets. If you've got marks on the toilet bowl, bit of a stain, hard to remove, stubborn dirt, just apply the White King toilet gel directly to it, just lightly over the top. Let it sit for approximately 20 seconds. You can see there also I've got the new White King toilet gel cage in action that sits under the bowl. Another great product from Pental. All you do now, no touching the bowl, push the flush button and presto, magically disappears and we've got a beautiful clean white toilet. Thank you White King toilet gel.